If you want to create a Calendly link quickly and share it with people so they can book time with you, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your scheduling link, customize your event, and copy it so you can send it anywhere. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Calendly account. If you're not already logged in, go to the Calendly website and enter your email address and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see the main area where all of your event types live. This is where you'll create the meeting link that people can use to book time with you. Next, look for the Create button. In Calendly, this is usually where you start building a new event. Click Create. Then choose Event Type from the options that appear. This tells Calendly that you want to set up a new kind of meeting link rather than editing something else in your account. After that, Calendly will ask you to choose an event type. A very common choice is one-on-one, especially if you want people to schedule a private meeting with you. You can select the option that best matches the kind of appointment you want to offer. If you're creating a simple meeting link for calls, interviews, consultations, or support sessions, one-on-one is usually the best place to start. Now it's time to enter the important details for your event. Add the event name so it clearly explains what the meeting is for. Then set the duration, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, depending on how long you want each booking to be. After that, choose the location for the meeting. This could be a phone call, a Zoom link, a Google Meet link, or any other location option Calendly gives you. Make sure the setup matches how you actually want to meet with people. Once the basic event details are in place, move on to your availability and booking settings. This part is important because it controls when people can actually schedule with you. You can set your available days and hours, limit how far in advance people can book, and adjust other preferences like notice time or buffer time between meetings. These settings help you avoid double booking and make sure your schedule works the way you want it to. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check the event name, the duration, the location, and your availability settings so everything looks correct before you save. When you're happy with the setup, click Save and Close. This saves your event type and creates the Calendly scheduling link behind the scenes. Now that your event is created, the next step is to get the link. Open the event you just made and look for the Share button. Calendly uses this area to give you different ways to send your booking page to other people. Click Share and then choose Copy Link. This copies your Calendly scheduling link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it. At this point, your Calendly link is ready to use. You can put it in an email, send it in a message, add it to your website, share it on social media, or include it in your bio. Anyone who clicks the link will be taken to your booking page and can choose a time that works based on the availability you set. And that's how to create a Calendly link from start to finish. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can share your scheduling page with confidence. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.